and I'm gonna make sunshine pasta salad, which is glorious and beautiful and oh so flavorful. I started with cooked penne. It's nice and cool. So next I'm gonna add the dressing. This is bright and lemony and fresh, and I know you're gonna love it. It's a lemon mustard dressing, and its base is a cup of mayo and a cup of sour cream. Then here comes the flavor. Half a cup of Dijon mustard, the zest of a lemon, a tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon each of grated garlic, kosher salt, and black pepper. A quick whisk, and it's done. So I usually start by pouring on about 2/3 of a dressing when I make pasta salad, and then I save the rest back for the end. I like to mix everything together and see how it looks first. Now I have probably more ingredients to add to the pasta salad than the pasta itself. Since this is sunshine pasta salad, I wanted to add all the colors of a beautiful sunset or sunrise, depending on what time you get out of bed. So I've got yellow, orange, and red bell pepper. I mean, it doesn't get any more summery than this. These colors are so pretty. I've got a bunch of halved cherry tomatoes, red ones, and also yellow ones. This is what I like in a pasta salad. The pasta is kind of there as a base, but I love as many ingredients as you can fit in the bowl. I've got a little colander of frozen corn kernels. I let them thaw. This bowl is getting full, I told you. Now, the dressing has a nice zip to it, but I'm gonna add some sliced banana peppers that are drained. I wanted the ingredients to have something with a little bit of a bite. Now comes the hard part and the fun part. This is where the rubber meets the road. I love this combination. Usually I try to be a little bit more balanced with the colors in my salads. I'm really tempted to add some basil or something green in here, but I really want to stick to that sunrise theme. I don't want to break from the red and orange and yellow. I think what I like so much about pasta salads is, well, pasta, my favorite thing on earth. But I also just like how many possibilities there are. I cannot tell you how many different kinds of pasta salads I've made through the years. One time I had a group of friends over and everybody brought a different pasta salad. That was one of the best days of my entire life. Okay, I think I got that mixed up. It's a miracle. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to mix it without getting it all over the kitchen. I think the best way to serve a pasta salad is on a big rimmed platter. Okay, this is where I might get in trouble. It looks like it's going to be a happy ending. Yay! I was close there for a second. This is so gorgeous. Now, I told you I was tempted to garnish with some basil or parsley, but I'm gonna keep with the sunrise sunset colors and slice a lemon and just put a few slices on top. I mean, this screams summer. If I saw this at a cookout, I would skip the burgers and steaks and go straight for a big plate full of this. But as I said, I'm kind of a pasta lover. Have been my whole life. Well, some people might see a sunrise, some might see a sunset. I just see a beautiful pasta salad for a summer cookout. I'd say this is a winner.